we're gonna show you how to connect our headset Bluetooth. So that's the box you get. We wrote a note, fully charge it, because sometimes they're not really charged. Well, these are already pre-charged. So you get the box, it has a battery inside. You're gonna charge it with this port, and you have the keyboard here and the manual. So right now we're not gonna show you the manual because we explained to you how to do it. It's easier than going to read the manual. But this one actually has inside a battery that keeps charging your headset. So for example, now it's red is because they are charging, no? But the battery is blue, so it means that the battery is charging the headset. And when the battery is, at night, you just connect this to your computer or to your charger for the cell phone, and you're gonna charge it. Okay, so how do we connect?
So you want to make sure that the Bluetooth is off before you begin. If not,
they're gonna mess up.
It's gonna mess up.
Okay, in this case, this is an iPhone, what, 8, 7?
iPhone 7.
Okay.
So before you turn on the Bluetooth, you want to hold the button at the back of the earbuds at the same time.
Okay. And they both flash.
And they'll both be flashing, and then you want to double click on either one of the earbuds.
Either one. Double click. Alright, look at that.
Exactly.
Okay, now they're flashing faster, no? Blinking faster.
Now, once they're both connected, okay.
Now you have to turn on Bluetooth. And you're gonna see only one, no?
Yeah.
TWS i7. Okay. You click on that, and they're gonna pair.
And then it's connected.
Connected. TWS i7. Okay. So they keep flashing or what?
No. Once they connect, they stop blinking.
Stop blinking. Turn it. Okay, it's still blinking because it's telling you that it's connected. Look, this one is blinking.
No, that's they both blink blue.
They're both connected. Okay. So now like this they work.
Yep. Like this, they work connected.
They work as a couple, so it's like a stereo headphones. What about if we want to do only one?
So if you want to do one, you will disconnect.
So let's go start from the beginning.
You will hold both of these down.
Wait a second. So we put the Bluetooth off because we start again. And then
you will hold the back of these buttons and it will turn it off.
No, you have to turn it off. Okay.
Yep, and they're both off.
Okay, so let's start from only one.
And with one, all you have to do is hold the button on until it's blinking. Then you turn on Bluetooth again.
Okay.
And you go back.
See always
and it's connected already.
Yeah, because right now it's already there.
Exactly.
So TWS i7. So right now it's connected only one because the other one is off.
Yep. The other one you do not to touch, and that's it.
So you can do this with either one.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, we have to show something else or that's it, no?
Yep,
so the both together or only one. If you have any question, you can contact us. But I think it's fine, it's perfect. And that's what you get. That's the box. This is what is inside the box, just the cable, the manual. And yeah, nice box explains everything inside. Just remember to charge it fully, at least one night.
And
if you get it.
And if you're going to pair both at the same time, you need to make sure that the Bluetooth is on before you pair both together, and then you turn on Bluetooth and then connect.
Alright, you know they're gonna have some problem. And look at that, that's the box. So let's show them how to do it when you want to charge it again. You just push it inside.
Yeah.
Look. And then you have to press the button. Okay, so that means the battery is blue, is charged, and red inside, it means that it's gonna charge. And when this turns blue, no?
Yeah.
It means that it's gonna be full. So right now they are fully charged, so they turn on immediately.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you.